Hello everyone and welcome to Plutus. Today is the 1st of January and we wish you all a very happy new year. Now we'll be looking at one of those indicators that you people kept spamming me on my Telegram and you kept asking for this indicator, the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now what's the Fibonacci retracement tool? To put it in the simplest way possible, it gives us the levels where the institutional sellers start coming in. It also gives us nice support and resistance levels, but usually these are the levels where most people would tend to sell. So technically, you should start selling slightly before these levels to get rid of your bags. Going to the history point of view, it was named after Leonardo Fibonacci, who is in the 13th century. He made the most popular series, or one of the most popular series, the Fibonacci sequence of numbers. That's not important, but the most important part about the Fibonacci retracement tool is how you set it up. Now, I use OKEx. Here, you just go to the Tools tab and search for the Fibonacci retracement tool. What I usually prefer doing is I pin the Fibonacci retracement tool from top of the recent high and pin it right down to the bottom of the recent low. Now what this gives us, it gives us a really even chart, and you'll probably see a few lines that say 23.6% and 50%, 61.8%. You probably might be thinking what these levels actually indicate. Now, in the Fibonacci sequence, the key ratio in the mathematical terms is a 61.8%. It's also referred to as the golden ratio. Now, most of this is based on math, but then thinking about the simple point from the point of view of a trader, what you would want to do is you would want to place your sell orders right below these lines or somewhere around these lines so that your sell orders get filled and you also know at what levels the coin might face resistance. Apart from that, I prefer using this on the daily chart. Why on the daily chart? Because a Fibonacci retracement tool uh, gives me a clear idea about how the market's going to proceed. Now, when I look at the Fibonacci retracement levels, right now we're looking at Litecoin. Here you can see at different levels, we can see the support and resistance levels. So what I would probably do is, example for the 23.6, it's somewhere around 60. So I would just start selling at 58 or something like that. You can come up with your own strategies and improve as traders. Thank you for watching Plutus. We'll be back with more interesting videos. Till then, you can hit the link in the description for my Telegram channel. I'll see you. Bye.